Memes are a great way to increase your engagement, followers, and leads. So what I'm going to do is help you understand how you can find memes, how you can edit memes, and how you can create carousels for Instagram that will help you in all those areas. All right, so what I'm going to walk you through is what memes are, an example of a meme carousel, just so I make sure you're on the same page as me. Then I'm going to show you how you can find memes that you can use as they are or edit. And then I'm going to show you how you can actually edit them well in Canva. So right here is a meme carousel, basically multiple memes in a post that you slide through on Instagram for my business. And what you can see here is an example of a photo meme. This is a photo meme that I just reshared from another account. I didn't edit any of the text. This is a video meme that I downloaded from another account, but then changed what the text is to fit my niche. This is a video meme that's a little bit different than a traditional meme, but still a funny meme that I just downloaded from another account and didn't even edit because it fits my niche. And I have multiple different ones in here. You slide through and it's good for engagement to have multiple. And then I have a call to action at the end. Creating meme carousels like this, in my experience, being in the space for a while, is a great way to build engagement, increase sense of authenticity and humor when it comes to your personal brand. So I definitely would suggest considering having memes as part of your content strategy if you're looking to build your followers, but also leads, honestly. So what I'll do now is show you how you can find memes that you could use just as they are or edit for your niche. So on Instagram, what you want to do is think of an account within your niche that is already posting memes. What I'll do to make things simple is just use the ones that I recently shared for my business as an example. So let's say you want to use this meme, but you want to make the text different for your niche. What you're going to do is, since this is a video, you're going to need to download this and then you're going to need to edit it in Canva. So what you would do is, if you're on your desktop or phone, you click on more options, copy link. Then what you would do is go to a website called Snap Insta. You can search on Google, Snap Insta. You would paste the URL in here and then you download the video to your computer, and then what will happen is you'll be able to upload that into Canva to edit. Let's say you want to do a photo one. Okay, so I guess we'll do the first one as an example. What you want to do is screenshot it. So get a screenshot of this meme, and then you would take that and either keep it as it is if you wanted to share that as it is, or you would edit that in Canva. So now what we'll do is go into Canva and I'll show you how you can edit these memes or just keep them as they are to fit your niche so you can grow your following, create more carousels like this, etc. Real quick, if you're looking for help building your brand online and on social media, and also getting more actual leads and customers, make sure to check out the links below. Okay, so once you have some of those either screenshotted or you have a downloaded video of a meme, what you can do is in Canva, upload those to your files on Canva, and then you can edit them. Now, let's say you wanted to just keep a meme that you liked and you don't even want to change it. In that case, what you would do is, this one, for instance, if you wanted to keep it just as is, all you would do is decide, okay, do I want to edit and put this into a carousel in Instagram in a way that fits my brand a little bit more? Because if so, you would probably want to add it to your carousel in Canva that you're making and maybe add your brand colors behind. That's what I do, but I can be a little bit obsessive with branding. You could just, leave it as is. But that's, leaving the meme as is. But let's say you wanted to edit what's being said on the meme. And let's say you want to do this classic Drake meme. You know, this one, it's obvious. You know, you're putting the thing you don't like here, the thing you like here. So let's say you're a therapist who also has a course on relationships. So, you know, here you could put, let's take the text we have here. Texting your ex at 1 a.m. on Friday. That's like the thing, you know, you don't want to be doing. Now, what's the thing you do want to be doing? You want to, let's say, have a relaxing or reading a book with tea at, you know, 11 p.m. Or maybe it could be, you know, let's say this is like 9 p.m. And then this is also 9 p.m. That would make it a little bit better. Now, obviously you want to edit this so it fits in there. The sizing fits a bit better. And I would probably make that white a little bit more of a pure white background. But that's how you can think about adding text within the format of the meme. You're wanting to think about what would make sense to add as the text in a specific section of the meme. Another example for a classic meme would be this one. And so what you would think is like, okay, the point here is this guy is looking at this other woman when he has a girlfriend or wife next to him, that he shouldn't be focused on that. He should be focused on this. So in this case, you could have something over him, you could have something over her, and something over her. So like, let's just say you're still this therapist who focuses on relationships. Trying to think of what could make sense here. It could be something funny. It could say me, but it might not necessarily mean like this is you as a therapist saying this is you. It's just more so a way to make it relatable. Downloading Hinge for the 10th time. Going out and trying, like accepting the blind date your friend suggested. So again, obviously I'm not a therapist who focuses on relationship issues, but you should get the idea. It's this format is where you would then be, you're saying, okay, this is the person, this is the bad thing, this is the thing that is better, that should make sense, that they should be doing. You know, that's how you understand the structure. Hopefully this also helps you understand how you can add your own text from a design perspective over these common structures. Now, let's say you wanted to add a video. All you're doing is taking that video you downloaded in Canva, and then you're dragging it over. And again, you can keep it as is. You can keep it like this, or you can add your own text over it. So what I did for this one for my business, because I focus on helping people build their brand and generate leads, is speak to that niche by saying, quietly working on my business because I know It's one of the best ways I can positively impact my life and others. And then what I'm doing is just moving this text over that. And there you go. Now, once you've got some memes in your carousel, what you want to do is have an end call to action. This is for increasing followers, increasing leads and clients as well. You want to customize this call to action to your niche and your business and your brand. For me, what I did was had a picture of me, said, hope you enjoyed those. If you want help getting more leads and clients or in building your brand, check out the link in my bio. You know, for you, let's say you're that relationship expert, you're a therapist, you could say, hope you enjoyed those. If you want help improving your relationship, check out the link in my bio or DM me relationship for free tips, you know. And then obviously you could have funnels if your goal is to just build more followers or get clients, you know, you could have different funnels in place, but having that call to action at the end really helps. But hopefully you understand that, you know, you can download these memes as screenshots or as videos. You can keep them as they are or edit them, put them into Canva, create this carousel, end with a call to action. You'll increase your engagement on your account. You'll get more followers. Also, it will help a lot with getting actual leads and clients.